FR Pavers Stone, we're back here on one of our driveway projects with the 16 by 32 dark silver gray, supplied by Hardscape.com. It's about a 10,000 square feet driveway. We're almost at the finishing stages here now. Still got a lot left to finalize. Got this other side here that we did. All the perimeter edges are mud set it down. Can't do nothing in this area here because of the water. Plus we're getting rain today, but it's coming along. We'll do another video once we finalize.